Good morning, Boston, and we're Too Little Too Late News, where we bring you news stories older than the pizza at Warren Dining Hall. But just like the pizza, we're gonna go for it anyway. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Zach. Now for the news.
Harry Styles revealed over the weekend that his hit Watermelon Sugar is actually about female orgasms. I feel quite silly because this whole time I was under the impression that it was about watermelon orgasms.
Police arrested a man with a car full of KFC takeout and empty ounce baggies. It sounds silly, but it's actually quite serious. Where am I supposed to find a chicken pot pie dealer in such short notice?
A squirrel hid 175 pounds of nuts in a Chevy Avalanche pickup truck. I guess you could say it was compensating for something.
New psychology research identified a strong predictor of atheism in adulthood. That predictor? Being raised Catholic.
Nicolas Cage says that he's never going to retire from acting. Says everyone else, okay, but just sleep on it.
Today, Simone Biles thanked Taylor Swift for her support during the Olympics. Taylor was about to reply, but then Kanye jumped in to say that Beyoncé was actually a bigger supporter.
Scientists have created the world's whitest paint, which could help save on energy bills. They knew it was the whitest paint because it was drinking a pumpkin spice latte and claiming it was too spicy.
They knew it was the whitest paint because it responded with, "What's the damage?" after getting the check.
The scientists also chose a name for this paint, Keith.
Queen Elizabeth called leaders' lack of climate change action irritating yesterday. You might think this is pretty mean, but then you remember that she called Margaret Thatcher a frigid for taking the last crumpet on Boxing Day 1987.
Elton John just became the first artist with top singles in 6 different decades. Yas Queen said single tops in 6 different decades.
More than half of Americans would prefer to stream new movies at home as opposed to going to the theater. No surprise there. There are only 2 types of people who like going to the movies. Children and the lady behind you reacting very loudly to every plot twist. Yeah, Brenda, he's the killer. Now please shut up.
It is reported that Elton John calls Ed Sheeran every single day. When my grandmother heard this, she told me that she wished Elton was her grandson. Thanks a lot, Sir Mr. John.
French President Emmanuel Macron was hit in the head by an egg thrown from a crowd. Said Macron, "Oof."
Don't change the channel. We'll be right back. Or do. I do not give a f***. We do not give hate enough.